All right, today we're going to bring a neck fan. This is a beautiful, elegant neck fan. You guys can notice it twists just a little bit. It has ventilations on the bottom of it, so you could either or put it upside down or forward if you want the air up or you want the air down to cool your face or to cool your body. This is perfectly well suited to carry around with you, traveling. If you guys can see, easy to fold out, type C charging station, and then you got the power button on, and then different modes, of course, they have, all right, different speeds. So I'm gonna put it to use and see how well it works. I like the rotation. It rotates a little bit. It's not flexible, so it's gonna have to be mounted from the back of your neck, all right? So like I said, either to the bottom or to the top, either way. I've seen people using it pretty much cooling down their body since they're their faces. You don't want the air. It's very calm and quiet. The first level, nobody even notice if you're on an airplane with this. So let's go ahead and test it out and see how it works. So we'll put it on our neck, and that's pretty much how it works. Simple. How it ties up on our neck. So as you can see, it's keeping my entire area cool, and the whole thing, even my glasses. I'm gonna take off my glasses. You guys can see my face, how hot it gets. It's keeping everything temperatures control on the bottom here. It's all cool, if you guys can see. And all around my head, it's cool, except for my centerpiece, of course, on my face. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.